Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Java JDK on Windows. To install Java JDK, go to a browser and type Java JDK download and press enter. Click on the first link, which is the oracle.com. So here scroll down, click on Windows. The latest version of JDK is 25. So here we will be downloading the exe file. So click on the link of 64 installer. So this will download the exe. Click on save. So now the download of the exe has started. It is around 183 MB. Wait for the download to complete. Okay, so now the download is complete. Once the download is complete, we need to install it. So click on the folders icon. This opens up the exe in File Explorer. So now we need to install it. To do this, double click on the exe. Give yes if you get a security prompt. So now the setup wizard comes up. So here click on next. So the default location of Java installation is displayed here. If you want, you can change it. So I'll keep it as default and click on next. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now Java is installed successfully. So click on close. So now we are done with the installation of Java JDK. Once we are done with the installation, we need to set the Java home. For this, go to the location where Java JDK was installed. So it was installed in C program files, Java. Here you must be able to see the JDK folder. Click on it. So this should be the path of Java home. So click on the address bar and press Ctrl C to copy this path. Now press Windows R and type sysdm.cpl and press enter. This opens up the system properties. Go to Advanced tab, click on Environmental Variables. Here under System Variables, click on New. So now we need to set the Java home variable. So give the variable name as Java underscore home and give the variable value the path that we had copied. So press Ctrl V to paste it. Now click on OK. Click OK and click OK again. So now we have set the variable Java home. Next, we need to add Java to path. To do this, press Windows R and type sysdm.cpl and press enter. This opens up the system properties. So go to Advanced tab, click on Environmental Variables. Now we need to add Java to path. For this, select the path under System Variables and click on Edit. Here click New. Here we need to enter Java home within percentage, the variable that we have added, /bin. So this is the value that we need to enter in path to add Java to path. Then click on OK. Click OK. Click OK again. Okay, so now we have added Java to path. So now once we have set Java home variable and have added Java to path, we are done with the installation of Java. Now we need to do the verification. To do this, press Windows R, type cmd, press enter. This will open up the command prompt. Here type Java space hyphen version Press enter. Okay, so this displays the version of Java JDK that was installed. Next, we also need to check Java C version. To do this, press the upward arrow. So this will bring up the command that we have just run. So here, just add a C here. So it will be Java C -version. Now press enter. So this gives the Java C version that was installed. So this confirms that Java has been installed successfully. So these are the steps we need to follow to install Java JDK on Windows. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.